Okay, in math today, we're going to be using dominoes to practice adding, counting it all together to practice those fluency facts. Okay, so I have a domino here, and I have one over here, and then I have one over there. Okay, so 1 plus 1 equals how many? We would count all of that together. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, that's what we're doing with our dominoes. Okay, we're making and looking at two groups, making a number sentence, and then figuring out how many there are. Let's try this one. I have how many over on this side? Count the little dots. 1, 2, 3. I have 3, right? How many here? Good. 1. So 3 plus 1 equals how many? I have to count all of the dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Let's try another one. I'm going to put that one away. Let's try this one. Okay. How many dots do I have on this side? 1, 2, 3. How many do I have on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4 equals how many? Let's count all of the dots all together. We're making one big group now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Good. Okay, now this is going to get a little trickier as we go, but you know what? You guys can handle it. Let's try this one. Okay. How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have 4 plus 4 equals how many? I'm going to count all of the dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. There we go. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. And by the way, that's a doubles fact, which you'll learn at some point. Very good. Okay, let's try this one. How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3. So 6 plus 3 equals how many? What are you going to do to figure out the answer? Very good. You're going to count all of the white dots on the domino. You're going to make one big group, okay? Because we have 6 on this side, that's one group. When we have 3 on this side, that's the other group. And now, to figure out how many there are in all, we need to count all of those dots. And you know what? Since I know there's 6 right here, I'm going to count up. Remember that strategy we learned from counting up from 10? You can use that strategy here. So I can go like this: 6, 7, 8, 9. Always use those tricks to help you. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try this one. How many dots are on this side? 2. Good job. How many dots are on this side? 3. Very good. How many are there in all? Remember what you're going to do. Very good. Count them all together. And since I know how many are here, I'm going to count up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's try another one. Ooh, I'm going to try to trick you, okay? And I hope I don't trick you. So here you go. I'm going to try to trick you on this one. How many dots are on that side? Did you count them up? All the white dots? Good. 4. How many are on this side? Do you see any dots? Correct. We don't see any dots. So what number represents nothing? There's nothing on that side. Very good. It's 0. 0 represents nothing. Okay, so now I've got to add everything up. So 4 plus 0 equals how many? Now since there's nothing on this side, I just have to count this one group and I'll still get my total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, let's try counting this group, these two groups. Look at this domino. How many are on this side? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are on this side? 1, 2. Now, I have 5 plus 2 equals how many? What do I have to do? Very good. I have to count both groups because now I'm making one big group. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, if you know how many are on one side of the domino, you can count up. So I can go like this, 5, 6, 7. There's more than one way to count up everything, okay? Let's try another one. Let's try this one. There's a little smudge. There we go. Take a look at that domino. How many are on this side? 1, 2. Good. How many are on this side? 1, 2. How many are there in all? Remember, you're counting everything up, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can count up. You can go like this. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's try another one. You guys are doing a great job reviewing those addition facts to 10. I'm going to try to trick you again. Here's another one of these, but this time it's on the other side. How many dots are here? Do you see any? Right, there's nothing on that side. So what number represents nothing? If you said 0, you did a great job, and there was no fooling you. Very good, 0. Now, how many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now, what is 0 plus 5 equal? Count up all of the dots. There's nothing there, right? So we don't have to worry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 plus 5 equals 5. Boys and girls, you did a great job reviewing your addition facts to 10 by using dominoes. Great job.